No. No. Patama, come on. Alright. We are gonna watch.
Sorry.
We're gonna watch the one guy, one screwdriver video again.
Again, apparently.
Yeah. That was the faggot. His name is Aaron.
Yeah. This is already bad.
Oh, it's one guy, one jar, one screwdriver. Oh.
Oh! Oh my dear God!
Oh! It's still bleeding! The guy with screwdriver. It's terrible. Yeah, I'm looking this way. Guy with the screwdriver.
I hate how the screwdriver is just like right above that point.
Yeah, it's just right there.
Okay, there's one pool of blood. That's one. One pool of blood. Two in the bathtub. And it's a lot. It's a lot. And then in the sink. That's 3 pools of blood.
My wiener hurts now.
I
can't feel anything right here.
That is gross as crap, dude.
Anyway, when he pulled the screwdriver out, I actually covered my penis. I didn't want my penis to see it, but yet I continue to watch it. What does that say about me?